Hello and welcome. Today we are going to learn about the word affect. This is a very useful word in English. Let's start our lesson together. So, what is affect? The word affect means to change or influence something. It is a simple but important word that we use every day. Affect is a verb. A verb is an action word. It shows that something is happening or being done. Remember, affect is an action. The first meaning of affect is to change something. When we say affect, we mean to make something different from before. Here is an example. The rain affects the plants. This means the rain changes the plants. It helps them grow. The second meaning of affect is to influence someone. This means to change someone's feelings or ideas. Another example is, the movie affected me. This means the movie changed my feelings. Maybe it made me happy or sad. When do we use affect? We use it when we talk about weather, feelings, situations, and people's actions. These are common times to use this word. Let me give you more examples. Cold weather affects health. News affects our mood. Noise affects my work. All of these show how things change or influence us. Now, let's talk about affect and effect. These two words are different. Affect is a verb. Effect is a noun. This is very important to remember. Here is an example with affect. Cold weather affects plants. This is a verb. It shows the action of changing. Now here is an example with effect. The effect of cold weather is bad for plants. Effect is a noun. It is the result. Here is a quick tip to help you remember. Affect means action. Both words start with the letter A, affect equals action. Let's look at a common mistake. Many people use effect as a verb. This is wrong. Remember, effect is a noun, not a verb. Another common mistake is using affect as a noun. This is also wrong. Affect is always a verb. Now let's practice. Fill in the blank. The cold blank my mood. What word should go here? Think about it. Here is another practice sentence. The blank of the rain is good for plants. What word fits here? Let's check your answers. The first sentence is, the cold affects my mood. The second sentence is, the effect of the rain is good for plants. Did you get them right? Let's summarize what we learned. Affect is a verb. It means to change or influence. We use it for actions. How can you remember this? Affect means action. Both start with A, effect is the end result. It is a noun. Keep practicing. Try to use affect in your own sentences. The more you practice, the better you will understand. Let's look at this visual recap. Affect changes things. It influences weather, feelings, and actions. This is what affect does. There are other verbs like affect. These include change, influence, and impact. They all have similar meanings. When should you not use affect? Don't use affect when you are talking about results. For results, use effect instead. Here is an example about weather. Weather affects our day. If it rains, our plans might change. If it is sunny, we feel happy. Here is an example about feelings. Feelings can be affected by words. Kind words make us happy. Mean words make us sad. Here is an example about people. People affect each other. When we are kind, others feel good. When we are angry, others feel bad. Let's try a quick quiz. Which word is correct? The noise blank my work. Should we use affect or effect? The answer is affect. The noise affects my work. We use affect because it is a verb. It shows the action of changing. Great job! Now you know the word affect. You understand what it means and how to use it. Keep practicing and you will get better. Thank you for learning with us today. We hope this lesson was helpful. Keep studying and improving your English.